Now I showing how to clean the WMF espresso machine. So we need cleaning equipment first. This two sieve, this brush and the chemical. Okay. So we go now in the programming how to clean with the cleaning tablet. So we need to first press the screen menu. Okay, then the care button. After the clean brewing groups, then start cleaning, yes or no. So you can choose yes, no problem. Yes meaning the machine cleaning finish automatically switched off, and no meaning machine cleaning finish automatically switched on. So we are we need to close the machine, so we go the yes, then switched off after cleaning, yes, then need to remove this photo filter. So we remove the photo filter, also this photo filter, and we remove it this sieve. So we already removed this sieve, this one, this. Okay, now we fix it, this cleaning sieve, this one and this one. Now we put it 2 tablet. We take it 2 tablet, one right side, one left side. Okay, then take it again, fix it, also this one, fix it. After the showing the play button, so we go the play button, cleaning tablet inserted, yes. Now machine time like 11 minutes. Okay, so continues this 11 minutes. Now you see cleaning, they need to remove again photo filter. Remove it the photo filter, left and right. Okay, so you throw it and keep it, then make continuous. See, remove it, attention, hot water flow, the brewing group, yes. After ranging, please clean the photo filter, see user manual. Okay, then need to this photo filter and the filter need to clean, then go yes. You see the machine automatically switched off and clean finish.